Here we go. Alan doing a Contours, Anthology, and finishing it off with the final box of Enshrined. Personal 3-boxer. This case of Contours has been super quiet. What is it hiding? Here we go. Oh, here's a die cut right out of the gate. Right out of the gate. Joe Pavelski. Blue to $4.99. And oh snap. Ooh, that's a sick one. 4-color, 13/35, Noah Hannafin, rookie patch autograph. Now, I think there's a lot of guys in the clubhouse who are going to drool over that card. Hannafin, you actually got some red right there. Red, white, silver, and black. That is dirty. Nick Ritchie to $3.99. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. He's no Connor McDavid or Dylan Larkin, but he's a solid rookie. Nikolai Goldobin, rookie jumbo. Seems like he has quite a few guys collecting him because he's one of them that you don't just get out priced on immediately, you know. To $3.99, Dougie. Youth Movement autograph. Dougie Hamilton. And Jordan Stahl to $4.99, blue. So this is probably going to be a relic. Is it going to be a jersey or a patch? I think you got one of... Nope, never mind. Nazem Kadri to $4.99, blue. And Connor Hellebuyck, Club Crest relic. So Noah Hannafin stole the show on that one. Oh. Anthology hockey. A boatload of hits. It advertises 4. It advertises 6 hits, but man, so many of them have more than that. You got fatties. Holy smokes. Yeah, 2 fatties. Wow. This is a crazy box. Mark Stahl, Massive Materials Jumbo Patch. Number to 99. Next up, Wayne Simmons. Sizable Sigs Jumbo Jersey Auto. Oh, what in the world? It's the first one we've had. Check this out. 1 of 1. I don't know why, but it is. 1 of 1, Wayne Simmons. Huh? Congrats. Bernie Parent. Anthology autograph. To $2.99. Next, Alexander Barkov and Brian Campbell. Paired pieces duel. To $85. Next, nice one. Alex Ovechkin jumbo. Ovi. Number to $1.99. Next, Mark Vizentine and Malcolm Subban dual autograph. Oh my lordy. To $2.99. Okay, we're going to the back. To the back. Still sick. Full coverage jumbo patch. Tyler Toffoli. Number 10 of 49. Toffoli jumbo patch. And look at this. A 101 and then this beauty. Oh, geez. Did not realize that. 14 of 25. Vladislav Nemeshnikov. And boom, Jonathan Drouin. Back-to-back patch. Nemeshnikov Drouin to 25. A 101 Simmons with that dual patch. Pure filthiness. And Enshrined. Oh, man. That was a box of Anthology. Hey, nice start. Retired numbers. Glove, I think is what it is. 8 of 9. Ray Bork. Ray Bork, 8 of 9. Next, Enshrined Exhibit to 25. Matt Sundin. Quad. Next, 5 of 15. Igor Larionov. Hall patch. Nice Igor. And 15 of 35. Sir Patrick Waugh. Hallowed Hall autograph. Allen. Personal 3-boxer. Beauty.